One more thing I'm doing, y'all, is this is some premier peat moss. I bought that at I think at Home Depot, Lowe's, probably Home Depot. I think I paid 15 or 20 bucks for that. And this is some perlite. Paid $7 for that. And I'm putting it here in this galvanized garbage bin. And I'm just adding my perlite to my peat moss. And I'm making my own starter mix. It smells real good. It smells really startery mixy. So smells just like the regular starter mix. I mean, it's just peat moss and perlite, basically, or vermiculite, one or the other. But yeah, I'll be starting. This ought to last me a good long time. Keep it in this shop, nice and dry and cool. And I mean, that has that great aroma of starter mix does. It makes me feel like it's late winter and I'm about ready to start my stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all, for about $27 you can make enough starter mix to last you years and years. You keep it in the right conditions, versus, you know, a bag of starter mix that's this big costs you about six or $7, and you know that'll get you through most small garden starts. But there's probably about 25 or 30 bags of this full, and it's just this, and I haven't even used half of this bag of peat moss up. So I'm gonna fold it up. I'm gonna put that away in a nice dry spot for a rainy day or a long time from now. But this will be my starter mix. So you can really save you some money by getting you some peat moss and some perlite, and just mix your little perlite in there. That perlite, all that is water retention stuff. It's like a foam. If you bash it, it's like a sand, like that. I don't know, it's kind of like sand when you bash it, but it feels as light as a foam pellet. So yeah, it's real fluffy. Anyway, but it's more like, it's like a hollow stone, like a hollow piece of rock or something. When you do that, it's sandy. So, but it holds water real good. Anyway, thought y'all might want to see that. Some people, most everybody that grows gardens knows about this stuff already, but I'll show y'all that later.